If you're looking for the best Coursera Python career path, this video will show you a simple roadmap to go from complete beginner to job-ready Python developer. Before we get started, if you're planning to take several courses, check the discount link in the description. Coursera Plus can save you money compared to paying for learning programs individually. The first step is building a strong Python foundation. If you're completely new to programming, start with beginner-friendly courses like Python for Everybody from the University of Michigan or Programming for Everybody. These courses teach programming fundamentals, debugging, data structures, and problem solving, which are essential for every Python career. Once you're comfortable with the basics, choose a career direction based on your interests. If you want to become a Python developer, Microsoft's Python Development Professional Certificate is an excellent next step. It covers version control, web development, automation, cloud technologies, and other practical skills that employers look for. If you're interested in artificial intelligence or data science, IBM's Python for Data Science, AI and development is a great option. It teaches Python while introducing data analysis and industry tools like NumPy, making it a solid foundation for AI and analytics careers. If your goal is IT automation, Google's IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate focuses on scripting, cloud management, automation, and infrastructure skills that are valuable in modern IT roles. As your skills grow, you can specialize in areas like web development with Django, cybersecurity, DevOps, machine learning, or data science. Python is one of the most versatile programming languages, so the same foundation can lead to many different career opportunities. The only downside is that buying each learning program separately can become expensive as you progress through your roadmap. That's why I usually recommend Coursera Plus. Instead of paying for individual programs, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active, making it the best value if you're serious about building a long-term Python career. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.